Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm here vlogging from the car, but I am actually at the hair salon again because I'm lightening my hair and I'm getting Rezölites. I am so excited because I've been wanting light hair for a very long time, but Maisa, who is my stylist and my colorist, suggested that I will wait and take baby steps to get highlights. So that's what I'm doing. This is the second time I'm adding highlights to my hair and I'm so excited. I actually vlogged the last time I got a Rezö cut and I got amazing results from all of you. So thank you so much for watching that video. So I thought, why not record my Rezölite appointment? I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to try to record as much as possible, like the process and everything. But I don't know how much I can record since I'm here by myself. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment them down below. Waiting. Okay, there. See, I watched my hair last night. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, okay. Welcome back. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. Maisa.
Do you love it?
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it amazing?
Yes. Oh my God.
It's like phenomenal.
Oh my
Phenomenal.
God. Is
It's
that
amazing.
me?
That's you, girl. Look at you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
God.
This
Girl.
is beautiful.
Girl.
No.
Mesa. Oh my God, Mesa.
Isn't it amazing?
Oh my gosh.
You better take, and today they didn't wrap her hair.
No, we didn't wrap it. No.
Look how gorgeous it
It's
looks.
gorgeous. We just
I love it like this.
Me and
better.
Kat, we just
Yeah.
did a couple here and there.
No. This looks so much better like this.
Oh my God.
And it was just a little couple pieces in the front that I trimmed because the ends, but that was it.
Oh my goodness, this is amazing.
This is beautiful. Did you do it before? No. Ay, Dios mío.
I had them before when I first came here.
Okay, perfect.
That my hair was really...
I know. That's something before we...
Shake it, shake it.
Gosh. Phenomenal. Amazing.
I'm like,
You can't believe it.
I know.
You're going to take the best picture. Just the different tones of the blonde.
That's what I love the most.
Me too.
That's what I love the most. It had this beige.
Yeah. Well, that's what we wanted.
But,
She don't want any, you know, more.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with my hair.
Girl. Stunning.
I put some lipstick on.
Somebody should start scratching.
Oh, you're right. I know, se ve bello. Entonces my eyes look lighter.
Mira eso. Look at this. Look,
Oh my goodness, I love it.
This is.
I'm a different person, Nubia.
Te lo juro que si yo te veo no te reconozco lo mismo. Dame, hermano.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm blonde. Look at my hair. I cannot believe this is my hair. Like, are you seeing this? You seen this? I can't.